If in your recent times you've taken a big risk, okay, maybe now, maybe 3-4 months back, or maybe in this year, then there's going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see whether this risk will pay off or not. Okay, maybe it's a big decision, it's a bold decision that you've taken, and you're wanting to know whether this is something that you did right, whether it was the right decision, whether it is going to work out for you. Keep on watching. This is going to be your tarot reading. Okay, the reason why you took this decision, firstly, it's not a risk. It's a well thought out plan. It has been pending for a very long time. The reason why it felt like a risk for you is because it was something which was very new. It was something that was unlike you. You had been feeling so devastated in your life that you had to take this radical shift. You had to take this radical change. You had to close this lid because it was eating you up from within. There was this feeling of every single day, getting into a position of disaster. Okay, and you were like, I can't handle it anymore, I can't look at myself like this anymore, I can't be this person anymore. And that's why you feel like this is a risk, because all your life you've dealt like this. You've been in a position of literal disseminating of self. And you know why this is happening? The reason why this is happening is because you allowed it to happen. And this time you put a lid on it. I'm not going to let myself sabotage myself. This is the risk that you've taken. And let me tell you, 3 of Cups, Emperor, मैं आपको cards बता दूंगी. What a fantastic decision. I wish you could have taken this decision sooner. This decision is not only going to be fruitful for you, it's going to change your narrative, it's going to change your identity, it's going to make you much more of a profound version. King of Wands, Emperor, you're able to see that kind of a manifested reality that you wanted to see for such a long time. Things were not working out for you because you were not allowing yourself to do that. Things were not working out for you because there was an energy where you were thinking that this is the end. You thought that this is ये story का chapter the end है. But अभी तो आपकी chapter शुरू हुई है. With this energy that I'm seeing around you, you allowed yourself to break free. You started celebrating small successes, or you will start celebrating small successes. The result of this is you will celebrate the small achievements that you're making. And this is going to first, the result of it, whatever risk you've taken, the result of it, first you'll see in your own character. First you'll see in your own demeanor. You will first see in your own energy. You'll start feeling more excited in life. You'll start feeling more involved with yourself. You'll start feeling like you love yourself more. And then you'll see that practical result. Then you'll see the practical result of it, that more orderliness, more opportunities coming in, more synergy, more expansion, more money, more recognition, more desires being met, being able to have a sustainable income. पहले आपको वो अपने कैरेक्टर में दिखेगा, पहले आपको वो अपने इमोशनल हेल्थ में दिखेगा. And then you'll see that materializing for yourself. So congratulations. I wish you would have taken this decision sooner. But yes, better late than never. I wish you all the very best.